I disvirgin my daughter's hair today, so join me. Let's use this product, Olive Was. It's not for advertisement, but hey, this particular relaxer is harmless. Even though I use my hand to, do every nyama, but the thing is harmless, totally harmless on the hair, on the scalp, So I decided to, unbreak my daughter's, hair today. So I said, my daughter naturally have crayfish hair, yellow hair that look like crayfish. So I said, since this is Christmas, let me just do this once and for all. I remember back then my mommy used to rub us cream on the front of the hair so that the hair will not get but as Olive is totally harmless, so I decided to rub him that conditioning that makes hair to look so soft before I started mixing the relaxer with nylon. I wear nylon to do this, but I will still remove the nylon because, as I told you guys, the relaxer is totally harmless, So I do and do. So before I now start using my hand as an African woman, I have to use hand to do it well. Some people normally use comb, but no, I don't want to use comb to scatter my daughter's brain. So I have to use hand. I have to use hand to rub everything penetrate. Look so good inside well. So watch the rest of the video and don't forget to share. Is it good to retouch a natural hair, to disvirgin a natural hair? Is it good? Is it proper for a child? Because I heard some people saying it's not good to relax a small child's hair. Please, I want to hear you in the comment section. Is it good to relax a small child's hair or leave it when she grows up? Then if the answer is no, then tell me what I'll be using on this my daughter's natural hair so that I'll stop relaxing the hair. Thank you. On anybody's hair, put it back. You off my fire and you are looking at me.
Fire or ring lights.
You will go and join Chidubem then. You will go and join him now. Cut that this thing. Cut the phone when I say on it again.